Hi, my name is Alice Castellanos. I'm with the City of Long Beach Health Department. Today, I'll be talking to you about face coverings. We've received many questions about when and where you are required to wear them, so we'd like to help answer those now. First, it's important to remember that in Long Beach, we have our own health department, separate from the LA County Department of Public Health. So our requirements can be different from theirs. Today, we're talking specifically about face covering requirements in Long Beach. Let's start by talking about why face coverings are important. Currently, there is evidence suggesting that using face coverings in public can slow the spread of COVID-19. They may reduce the spread of germs when someone speaks, coughs, or sneezes. And we know that people can spread COVID-19 even if they feel well. But don't forget, it's important to stay 6 feet away from others, even if you're wearing a face covering. Make sure you stay home when you're sick and wash your hands frequently. Now, when are you required to wear a face covering in Long Beach? You must wear a face covering at any time you are within 6 feet of anyone you do not live with. For example, you are required to wear a face covering when visiting a business and while riding public transportation. So when do you not need to wear one? You don't have to wear a face covering when outside if you are not going to be within 6 feet of anyone outside of your household. That means if you're walking, running, or biking alone, or just with others from your household, you do not need to wear one. But if you feel more comfortable wearing a face covering whenever you go outside, please do. You should also carry a face covering with you anytime there's a chance you might be closer than 6 feet of distance away from others you don't live with. You never know when you might need it. And finally, here are a few other important tips to remember. People should not use face coverings who cannot easily take them off themselves, like kids under 2 years old or someone who's having trouble breathing, and don't put one on someone who is unconscious or incapacitated. Make sure your face covering cover your nose and mouth and fits snugly and comfortably against the side of your face. Wash your hands before and after putting on and taking off your face covering. Throw used disposable face coverings into the trash right away after each use, and wash cloth ones after each use. Don't share face coverings with others, even people you live with. And finally, don't use N95 or surgical masks. These should be reserved for our healthcare workers. We hope we were able to provide you with a better understanding about face coverings. If you'd like more information about this or other topics related to COVID-19, please visit our website at www.longbeach.gov/COVID-19. Thanks for watching.